This is James Fox with another video tutorial for Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the SUMIF function, COUNTIF function, and the AVERAGEIF function. Now the SUMIF function enables you to calculate a sum of values in a range that satisfies a specific condition that you specify. The COUNTIF function does the same thing, except it enables you to count a set of values in a range. And the AVERAGEIF function averages a set of values in a range. Now for example, I have this price list here for fruit. And even for the same type of fruit, I have different costs for the fruit. Now if I wanted to find out my total cost for the same type of fruit, I can easily get out a calculator and start adding. Or I can use the SUMIF function to sum up the total cost that I paid for strawberries. So what I'm going to do is click on my Insert Function button, type in SUMIF, click Go, and select SUMIF. Now the first field is the range field. This is the field that you want Excel to look up when you set your criteria. Now I'm going to select my range of fruit. The next field is the criteria field. This is what you want Excel to specifically look up in the range that you just selected. And we're going to type in strawberries. And finally, the sum range is the numerical range that you're going to select. Once you've selected all that, click OK. And my total is 20 that I have paid for the strawberries. Now what if I wanted to count the number of strawberry orders that I have made? I'm going to do the same thing. Click on the Insert Function button. Type in COUNTIF because I want to count the number of strawberry orders that I've made. Click Go and select COUNTIF. The range that I want Excel to choose from is once again going to be the fruit. And the criteria that I'm going to set is strawberries. And then click OK. Now I've placed a total of 7 orders for strawberries. Now finally, if I wanted to average the cost that I have paid for strawberries, I'm going to use the AVERAGEIF function. So I'm once again going back to my Insert Function button, type in AVERAGEIF, select AVERAGEIF. Select the range that I want Excel to look up. Set my criteria to strawberries. And select the average range, which is going to be the numerical range. Then click OK. So on average, each order of strawberries cost me $2.85. And that is how you use the SUMIF function, COSTIF function, and the AVERAGEIF function. If you have any questions, please email me. Once again, my name is James Fox, and I'll see you next time.